In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit display. Then scroll again to tap on easy mode and use gray switcher to activate it. Then manage those two options however you need to, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, go into the same settings and click on the no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!